So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view organized chats on WhatsApp Business. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp Business app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page or your inbox of your WhatsApp Business. And to see your organized chats, you can simply tap on tools icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap here, then scroll down below, then you will see the option of labels. So tap here, then you will see the labels chat available on the top screen. So tap here, then see. You will see your organized chats, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.